classify the triangle based on the sides. All right, so we need to determine isosceles or scalene are my two choices, and then from those, acute, right obtuse, okay, or right scalene. Well, let's get us a length of this piece here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to go get me a distance here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now put into this square root symbol, you square the difference in the x and the difference in the y. What is 4 squared? Okay, that is 16 plus, what is 3 squared? 9. Okay, 16 plus 9. Square root of 25, this is going to equal 5. We're going to do the same thing for each side, okay? From A to this line that contains C. So 1, 2, 3. My vertical differences, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, that's the same thing. 3 and a 4 appeared, so that's so far this is isosceles. All right, so let's do our horizontal, which is a 1. Okay, our vertical, which will be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I would have in my square root symbol, and that's a 49 plus 1, so square root of 50. Okay, all right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to test for, let's just test for right. All right, and then we'll go to acute, and then we'll go to obtuse. Well, let's just go in order. Here's my A. Remember, if the triangle is acute, then c squared must be smaller than my a squared plus b squared. Testing for acute, so I would do c squared, right, has to be less than the a squared plus b squared, right? Well, c squared is the square root of 50. So the square root of 50, and all that gets squared, right? Is that less than the 5 squared plus 5 squared? Put that in the calculator. False. So it's not acute. Let's go to obtuse. We're doing the same thing, except this time c squared has to be greater than the a squared plus b squared, okay? So I would put the square root of 50, set that greater than 5 squared plus 5 squared, okay? Put that in the calculator. Through process of elimination, it's right. Let's test that. Okay, so let's go to a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I just keep it going this way. So 50, square root of 50 squared, if that equals 5 squared plus 5 squared, okay, then that would be right. Okay, go ahead and put that in the calculator. This is true. Okay, so it is right. All right.